Alright, you guys, so this is the Reading Rainbow shirt that I have been looking at and I have been wanting. But I just cannot bring myself to pay the $20, and this is also on sale. Not only that, but it's like, look at, it's like a long wait time. So what I did was I went to my Silhouette Studio program, and I just edited like the letters to be black, and then I went into publisher and I added in, like all of the little holes, that's the little blanks that's supposed to be in the words, and I went and found a sun that looked similar to the actual logo, put that in, and then I added this in myself, and I am ready to sublimate. And I'm hoping, because I got the shirt from like 5 and Below, and the polyester count is only, I think, like 40 or 50%, which isn't that high. I'm hoping that it gives it like the rainbow, like a vintage look, because it's like a pale blue color. So I'm hoping that it gives it like a vintage look. I'm hoping. But anywho, so yeah, I then added like all of these words, the rainbow words by itself. Y'all, like, look, this shirt took me, the little design took probably about 30 minutes to make. Now remember, when you are doing sublimation, that you have to mirror it. So I need to do that before I forget myself. So yeah, we have to flip everything backwards. All right, looks like I'm good to go. I'm about to print it, and I'm about to get this thing going. Alright, so as you can see, I got it printed out. It is mirrored, so that is good. I also have my heat press over here heating up. Y'all, I need to dust this thing off. So yeah, once that thing heats up, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to press. Let me show you guys the shirt that I got from 5 and Below. What the heck I do with that shirt? What the heck I do with the shirt? Hold on. Alright, so this is the shirt that I got from 5 and Below. Like I said, it's like a sky blue, just a t-shirt. And I'm hoping that when the image is pressed on there, that it gives it like, I'm hoping it gives it like a vintage look, because this blue is going to show through because it's not a white t-shirt. Also, the count is only 40% polyester, 60% cotton. So we're gonna see what that does. Alright, so now that my heat press is heated up, I got my shirt on. I also have a piece of like chipboard underneath it, creating like a layer between the front and the back of the shirt so that the color does not go through. And now, y'all, this is like the hardest part to me, which is trying to line this up as evenly as possible. And then I'm going to use this heat tape and pretty much just put the tape all around the shirt, all around the image, and then I'm going to press it down. Oh man, I'm trying to get it even.
Mom, is that Sonny's first time being in a video? Wait, can I see with the paper?
Alright, you guys, this is the completed look. I'm quite happy with how it came out. Look at that. I love it. Got me a Reading Rainbow shirt for $5. Yep, looks good to me. Except for, I'm not sure why, but on the W it did do a little bleeding. But you know what? It's minimal. It's minimal. I'm gonna wear my shirt. All right, you guys, don't miss out on them little t-shirts from 5 and Below. This was 40% polyester. You can see the color, but it's not, you know, it's not as vibrant, but it does work. So I will see you guys very soon. Bye.